Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Ford F-150 screen. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a plastic trim removal tool to protect your dashboard from scratches. A 7mm socket wrench is crucial for removing various fasteners. Also, keep a small flathead screwdriver handy for those tricky clips. Finally, a clean microfiber cloth will ensure your new screen is spotless before installation. Having these items ready makes the process much smoother. Now, let's carefully remove the old screen. Begin by using your plastic trim tool to gently pry off the dashboard trim pieces surrounding the display. Take your time to avoid any damage. Once the trim is loose, disconnect all electrical connectors attached to these panels. Next, locate and unscrew the four 7mm bolts securing the screen. Finally, gently pull the old screen out and disconnect its main wiring harness from the back. This step requires a delicate touch. With the old screen out, it's time to install your brand new display. First, carefully connect the new screen's main wiring harness to the vehicle's connector. Make sure it clicks securely into place. Then, gently slide the new screen into its designated opening in the dashboard. Once aligned, use your 7mm socket wrench to secure it with the four bolts you removed earlier. Double-check that all connections are firm and properly seated before proceeding. This ensures reliable operation. We're almost done. Now, let's reassemble everything and test your new screen. Start by reconnecting all the electrical connectors to the dashboard trim panels. Then, carefully snap the trim pieces back into their original positions around the screen. Ensure they are flush and secure. Finally, turn on your vehicle to test the new screen's functionality. Verify that the touch response is accurate, all audio works, and every feature operates as expected. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.